So we're at Lamae station, Chumphon province, Thailand. Today is Saturday, the 3rd of June, 2023. We have a southbound train coming in from Kantang, which is Bangkok. Kantang Central Station to Kantang. I think that's how you pronounce it. We'll be struggling with the pronunciations. Let's see what we have train-wise today. Still a couple of cars coming. A couple of second-class cars. This is the beautiful day out today. Nice station today, beautiful day. We did the market this morning, Saturday morning. This market over here at the train station is not open in the morning. It's the station on the other side. Here's the clock tower. And this is our new dim sum shop over here by coffee. We had some dim sum here in Lamae. Today's the first day she's been here. See how that works out. We had a few of them. A nice morning. That's all she wrote. Bye-bye.